You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar overcame initial weakness from an unexpected fall in pending home sales on Monday, recovering after its counterparts fell, the euro from ECB commentary and the yen from loss of safety demand. The greenback ended the day 1.3515 to the euro and 101.66 to the yen. Today's data includes consumer confidence in November, which is expected to rise to 72.4 in November, and house price data from S&P Case-Shiller. Next, to the euro. The euro traded mixed on Monday after commentary from several ECB officials highlighted the threat of deflation and how robustly the ECB will respond to such a threat, although the ECB's call was a notable exception, providing an antidote with his optimistic recovery talk. The single currency ended at 1.3515 to the dollar and 137.40 to the yen. British pound. The pound fell Monday after lending data showed slowdown in the number of loans agreed for house purchase, leading to slight concerns that the market might be easing. Sterling ended the day at 1.6154 to the dollar and 0.8367 to the euro. Japanese yen. The yen fell heavily after safety flows dry out following news of a deal being agreed between the P5+1 and Iran to limit its nuclear program, which lowered the possibility of a war breaking out. The yen ended the day 101.66 to the dollar and 164.22 to the pound. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signal from experts of the field. If your pair is Euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.3485 with 1.3545 and 1.35 as next targets. The downside penetration of 1.3485, which will open the way to 1.346 and 1.344. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.6019 with targets at 1.6013 and 1.61. The upside breakout of 1.6019, which will open the way to 1.6024 and 1.6275. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long position above 101.3 with 102 and 102.5 inside. The downside penetration of 101.3, which will call for 100.95 and 100.65. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you'll be watching Markets for You. Have a great day.